Want to know how to use Vendasta's AI-powered marketing tools? You've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how this platform can help streamline your marketing efforts, boost your efficiency, and leverage the power of AI, all without having to pay a penny upfront. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'm sharing how you can get an exclusive extended free trial, only available through the link in the description below. First off, let's quickly explain what Vendasta is. It's a platform designed to help businesses, especially those offering marketing services, manage, market, and grow their client base. What makes it stand out is its focus on AI-driven tools that can automate processes, optimize campaigns, and provide valuable insights. Whether you're a small business owner or an agency, Vendasta's AI-powered marketing tools are designed to save you time and increase the return on your investment. Next thing, let's talk about one of the key tools, Vendasta's AI-powered marketing automation system. This tool takes the heavy lifting out of digital marketing. You can set up automated campaigns that run across different channels like social media, email, and even your website. The AI constantly learns and adapts, optimizing your campaigns over time to ensure they're as effective as possible. With this tool, you can reach customers more efficiently and consistently without spending hours every day tweaking settings. The third thing to know about Vendasta is its AI-based content creation tool. This is where Vendasta really shines. The AI-powered system can help you create high-quality content for social media posts, blogs, and even email marketing. By simply providing a few inputs about your business or niche, the AI generates content that's tailored to your target audience. You don't have to be a professional copywriter to create engaging content. Vendasta's AI handles that for you. Next up, Vendasta's CRM integration is a game changer. If you're running a business, keeping track of your leads and customers is crucial. With Vendasta's AI-powered CRM tools, you can easily track client interactions, manage follow-ups, and keep everything in one place. Plus, the AI predicts the best times to reach out to leads, optimizing your customer acquisition efforts. This means you're always one step ahead in nurturing relationships with prospects and existing clients. The fifth thing is the reporting and analytics tool. Vendasta's AI collects data from all your marketing efforts and presents it in easy-to-understand reports. You'll get insights into how your campaigns are performing, what's working, and what could be improved. This allows you to make data-driven decisions rather than relying on guesswork, giving you a clear roadmap for growth. Now, let's talk about the biggest benefit, how you can get started using these AI-powered marketing tools completely free. By clicking the first link in the description below, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended trial of Vendasta. This isn't something you'll find anywhere else, and it's a perfect way to test out all the AI tools mentioned without spending anything upfront. To wrap up, Vendasta's AI-powered marketing tools can simplify your marketing strategy, boost productivity, and help you create smarter campaigns that get real results. With the free trial offer, you can experience all of this with no commitment. Don't forget, that link in the description below gives you exclusive access to the extended free trial. If you found this video helpful, check out the link below and start using Vendasta's AI-powered marketing tools today.